Hey there, I was sent over this 8-pack of solar powered path lights to test and try out for you guys. These are dusk till dawn, so they will turn on in the evening and back off in the morning. With a full charge, they are good for 8 to 12 hours of light before the battery will drain on it. They have an output of 12 lumens per light, so it's super easy to put them together. They just come in 3 pieces. You have the bottom stake portion, then you have the center pole of it, and the light attaches right on the top. These do have on-off switches, which are located on the underside of the light, so all you have to do is take off that top where the solar unit is and turn the power on and off if needed. When they're first received, it is recommended that you give them a really good charge of 8 to 12 hours of bright sunlight to get those solar cells all charged up. At night, this is what they look like along the path. As you can see, they cast a nice glow to the area around each light, and this is perfect for people to see down a dark path like mine. If you guys are looking for some LED path lights, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are a good product for you.